If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To search for help on a topic or subject in Sage 50 Accounting, select Help. Help Topics from the menu bar to open an online web page of help topics in your computer's default web browser. To search for help topics, type the terms for which you want help into the large search field at the top of the web page. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard, or press the Search button at the right end of the search field to search for those terms in the help files and show a listing of matching help page web results below. To view one of the matching web page results, click its link in the listing of matching results. To return to the search results, click the Back button within your web browser. Alternatively, to find help information by topic in the Help web page, click a topic at the left side of the window to then show its content to the right. You can also click the upward pointing and downward pointing arrows to the right of some larger topics in the left pane to collapse and expand the subtopics of the larger topic within the pane. You can also click these links to show their content in the pane at the right side of the page. To close the page when finished, click the X button within the upper right corner of the web browser window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.